Welcome to MaidCV.com. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Rosemary Daniel,
Okay.
34 years old, single,
And you're from?
Philippines,
Philippines.
but I live in Abu Dhabi.
You live in Abu Dhabi. When would you be able to start working?
Uh, July 18,
After July 18. So do you have relatives here in UAE?
yes.
Okay. Please describe your present job. What are you doing right now with your present employer?
Now I'm most as nanny.
Mostly nanny. So how many children are under your care?
Three kids,
Three
8
kids.
years old,
Mhm.
7 and 4 years old.
And 4 years old. So aside from looking after the children, do you also do the household chores?
Yes, I help my coworkers.
You help your coworkers. Okay, so what do you like most about your present job? What do you enjoy doing in your present job?
Mm, Looking at the kids and then cleaning the house.
Okay. So describe in details how do you perform your tasks for each location in the house? How do you clean the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, and the toilet?
First, the bedroom for my employer, for the kids, after the living room,
Mm-hmm.
after the kitchen, and then the bathroom.
Okay. So what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
I'll just inform first my employer.
Okay, so you will confirm with your employer. So do you know how to cook?
Basic
Basic
cooking.
cooking. So are you willing to learn how to
Yes,
cook? Okay, can you follow instruction in cookbooks?
yes.
Okay. So what favorite activities you enjoy doing with children?
Playing with them,
Playing with them.
yeah. Bonding time, like that.
What do children like best about you? What do
Funny.
You're funny. Okay, so if one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what are you going to do?
I think first aid.
First aid. So do you have first aid training?
No.
No, but basically you will comfort the child and if it is not serious, put some ointment or anything.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
as a nanny, could you say no to a child?
Yes.
When are you going to say no to a child?
If I think it's not good, I will say no.
Yeah, okay, very good. So the child finishes school at 3 p.m. and she will have her dinner at 6 p.m. During those 3 hours gap, what will you do to entertain the child?
First, I will check their bag if they have some assignment or homework, and then I will play with them. I will give food or
Mhm. So, what kind of a housemaid and nanny are you? Describe yourself.
lovable.
Lovable. Okay, so you're a lovable person. Give a
Hmm.
short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
Hmm. I'm not trustworthy nanny or housemaid.
So,
Honest.
okay, so they should hire you because you're a trustworthy person.
Yeah.
Okay, so please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from
Uh,
MaidCDB.com. Thank you, Rosemary. Thanks. Bye
thank
bye.